Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses the diagnostic trouble code DTC P1730, known as shift error B, specifically relevant to the Honda CRV models from 2011 to 2016. DTCs are critical for identifying issues within the vehicle's systems, particularly the automatic transmission, AT. The code P1730 indicates a problem in the shifting mechanism of the transmission system. A malfunction in this area can lead to problematic vehicle operation, affecting gear shifts and overall performance. As we progress through this guide, we will discuss the components involved, possible causes of this error, symptoms, and detailed troubleshooting steps to systematically diagnose and rectify the issue. Let's dive into understanding the intricacies of the DTC P1730 and how to resolve it for your Honda CRV. The DTC P1730, termed shift error B, indicates a malfunction within the automatic transmission system affecting its shifting ability. The core components involved include the shift solenoid valves, labeled A, B, and D, which are responsible for facilitating proper gear shifts. The shift solenoid valves function by controlling the flow of transmission fluid, which in turn allows for smooth and accurate shifting between gears. These solenoids are located within the transmission assembly, making access challenging without proper disassembly. The transmission itself plays a pivotal role in vehicle operation, affecting acceleration, performance, and drivability. Understanding these components is essential when diagnosing the P1730 error to ensure correct and efficient repairs. Several possible causes can lead to the P1730 shift error B code. Firstly, low transmission fluid can significantly impact the operation of the transmission, leading to erratic shifting behaviors. This can occur due to leaks or improper fluid levels. Secondly, defective shift solenoid valves, A, B, or D, can fail to operate effectively, causing the transmission not to engage the appropriate gear. Lastly, issues within the hydraulic system related to these solenoids may affect their operation, leading to shifts that are either too harsh or fail to happen altogether. Identifying these causes early in the troubleshooting process is critical to ensuring a fast and effective resolution. The presence of DTC P1730 can manifest through various symptoms that impact the driving experience. Erratic shifting, where the transmission shifts unexpectedly or harshly, is a common indication of a problem. Drivers may also notice delayed gear changes, where the vehicle hesitates before engaging into the next gear, potentially causing unsafe driving conditions. Additionally, the activation of the vehicle's check engine light can alert the driver to underlying issues with the transmission system. Recognizing these symptoms early can be crucial in preventing more severe damage to the transmission, leading to costly repairs if left unchecked. Begin the troubleshooting process for DTC P1730 by initially warming up the engine to its normal operating temperature. This entails allowing the radiator fan to activate, indicating the engine is sufficiently heated. Next, ensure that the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, is at the proper level, and check for any fluid leaks that may be contributing to low transmission fluid levels. A critical step is to drain the ATF through the strainer and inspect it for any metal debris or excessive clutch material, which are signs of potential internal damage. If metal debris or excessive clutch material is present, it typically indicates a failure that would require a complete transmission replacement. If no issues are detected in the strainer, proceed to replace the ATF and move to the next troubleshooting step. The second step in troubleshooting DTC P1730 entails verifying the operational condition of the vehicle following the initial maintenance. Begin by clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. After resetting, take the vehicle for a test drive while ensuring the shift lever is in the drive D position. During this drive, the transmission should shift through all 5 gears to confirm proper operation. After the drive, check the onboard diagnostics (OBD) status using the HDS. The readings will indicate whether the DTC P1730 has failed again, providing insight into whether the issue persists. Should the HDS indicate a past status, it suggests that the system is currently functioning correctly, while a failed status indicates a recurring issue that needs further examination. Proceeding to the third troubleshooting step, again clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to reset the error codes. Next, select the testing option for Shift Solenoid Valve A within the miscellaneous test menu of the HDS. This step is crucial as it tests if solenoid A is functioning properly. An important detail during this check is to listen for a clicking sound, which indicates that the solenoid is operational. If a clicking sound is present, solenoid A is confirmed to be functional, and you can move forward in the troubleshooting process. However, if no clicking sound is heard, it's indicative of a failure, necessitating the replacement of shift solenoid valve A and subsequent verification of the repair. In step 4 of the troubleshooting process, continue by selecting shift solenoid valve B in the HDS's miscellaneous test menu for examination. This is essential for understanding if solenoid B is contributing to the issue. As with the previous solenoid test, a clicking sound during the operation check affirms that solenoid B is functioning correctly. If no clicking sound is detected, solenoid B is identified as problematic, and it will require replacement. After addressing solenoid B, the repair verification steps must be followed to ensure that the issue with DTC P1730 has been resolved effectively. This process is critical for maintaining smooth operation within the transmission system. The fifth troubleshooting step focuses on testing shift solenoid valve D. This evaluation is performed similarly to the previous solenoids, using the HDS to select solenoid valve D from the miscellaneous test menu. It is vital to listen for a clicking sound, which indicates active operation and proper functionality of solenoid D. If the clicking sound is heard, solenoid D is functioning correctly, and you can progress to the next step in the troubleshooting process. Conversely, if no sound is present, it suggests that solenoid D is faulty and must be replaced. Completing this step ensures that you have checked all relevant solenoids, which are critical components in the shifting operation of the transmission. For the sixth step, return to clearing the DTC using the HDS. Following this reset, once again engage in a test drive with the shift lever in the drive D position. This stage is crucial as it allows you to observe whether the transmission can shift through all 5 gears effectively without errors. After completing the test drive, check the OBD status using the HDS to identify if the DTC P1730 has reappeared. If the HDS indicates a failed status, it signifies that an underlying problem persists, often related to the hydraulic systems associated with the shift solenoids. In such cases, repairs will be necessary, either for the hydraulic system or even the replacement of the transmission, depending on the evaluation results. After conducting all the necessary repairs and replacements in response to DTC P1730, final repair verification is imperative to ensure that the issue has been rectified. Begin by clearing the DTC once again using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Subsequently, take the vehicle for a thorough test drive. ensuring that the shift lever remains in the drive D position during operation. This test will help confirm that the transmission shifts through all 5 gears properly. Post-drive, it is crucial to monitor the OBD status, once again through the HDS. Check if the system indicates passed, failed, or not completed. A passed status confirms that the repairs were successful and the issue is resolved. Preventive maintenance plays a critical role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P1730 and ensuring the longevity of the vehicle's transmission system. Regular fluid checks should be conducted to ensure the automatic transmission fluid is at the correct level and remains uncontaminated. Additionally, timely replacements of solenoids, particularly if any performance issues are noticed, can help preempt significant failures. Lastly, understanding and monitoring driving patterns can contribute to avoiding excessive strain on the transmission system, thereby prolonging its life. Implementing these preventive measures can significantly enhance performance and reliability of Honda CRVs. In conclusion, understanding DTC P1730 is crucial for Honda CRV owners, as it signals a significant issue with the transmission's ability to shift properly. The systematic troubleshooting steps outlined provide a clear pathway to diagnose and resolve this problem efficiently. Each step, from verifying fluid levels to checking solenoid operations, serves an important purpose in isolating the issue. Moreover, confirmation through repair verification ensures that the initial problem does not recur. Remember, consistent monitoring and preventive maintenance not only help in real-time troubleshooting, but also prolong the life of the transmission system. By adhering to these guidelines, Honda CRV owners can maintain the vehicle's performance and drivability for many miles to come. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.